That should be good.
Yeah.
Oh, it's recording now.
Yeah.
All right, the rest of your Five Below haul.
Ah. And Target. Only one thing from Target. So I got. Did I get two?
I don't know. Just go through them all, dude.
I got one shark dumpling, and it's RMS. All these dumplings are RMS.
Is that just like the brand? What is RMS?
I don't know.
Why'd you say
And then I
it?
got one gummy bear squishy. And then I got a, what is it called? Mini Pets. I got two of them, the last two. Oh my god. I don't know where to put these.
I can hold any of them.
Okay. And then I got the cow. And then I got a little bear
It says
cappuccino.
try me, I don't bite.
And
It
then,
came with sprinkles.
yeah. And then I
Yeah, my
got
feathers. Sorry.
which one was these? Oh,
Oh wait, that was like it had the pretty
pork
colors.
bun.
Yeah,
Pork bun.
pork bun edition. But the box had like cherry blossoms on it.
Because it smells like that.
Oh. But it's called a pork bun?
Yes.
So it's not like
I
bacon.
got one of these. This is the rare. It's silver and gold.
Starlight Dumpling edition.
And I got another shark one. And I got one of the gummy bear scented ones. And then, last but not least, except for these milk duds in here, another pork bun dumpling. Okay. So, which one should I do first? Let's do the cow because you can see it.
What are you gonna do? Are milk duds in here?
Yes, your milk duds are in there.
You forgot one.
And I got the gumdrop. I forgot.
Not the gumdrop button.
My.
What? What reference were you doing?
Yeah,
I was doing Shrek.
There you go. Mushroom.
Leave that there. Do you need help opening that?
No.
Okay. Don't cry to me for help then.
See?
See? See? Smells like a barn. I made you sniff it. You're welcome.
You're not welcome.
Can I squish it while you open another one?
Listen to it.
Well, let's put it up to the camera and squish it.
Oh, wait. Okay, which one should I do next?
Oh my gosh.
Should I do these?
This has nice squish on it. You can do both hands. I like this.
That's why it's very viral. There's like two left or
Look at his
something.
foot.
Oh, his foot.
Come
You
back
killed
out.
him.
Come back out.
You killed
now
it.
his butt's stuck. There we go. I fixed it.
Oh, gosh.
He's so
Should I open
cute.
this in the car? Or no?
What?
The tab is squishy.
It's
It's a put in and back in for this. You don't have to throw it away. See, it's zipper. See here.
well, you can open the tab, but you just can't open the sprinkles right now.
Yeah.
So it's up to you if you want to wait.
I'll just open it. It feels so good, but sticky. Gosh, it's so sticky. like my first Tabby Squishy from this brand. Daddy teddy bear though. Hey!
Ew.
Stickiest Tabby Squishy I've ever had.
Ew. Okay, I'm good. I'm good on that one.
Oh! He's tortured. This is, yeah. Okay. Okay. Should I do these first or the squishies first? I think I should.
Yeah, do those.
Okay. You can open this one.
Why?
Good. I'm gonna let you open one.
But it's yours. I'll just start to unwrap it for you. How about that?
Okay, yeah. Okay.
While you work on that one.
So this is, oh my gosh, this is gonna be hard because of my nails. Okay, I got it. Yes, I got it. Ah! How are you doing it so quick?
Years of practice. Opening many toys for you.
I mean,
It's wrapped twice.
yeah, they're all wrapped twice, Mom.
What in the world?
The mini brands are wrapped twice. Those little babies are wrapped twice.
Here's your Pokeball.
Oh my gosh. Not a Pokeball!
I chose you! Okay.
Oh. I hope I get the cat. Let's see if I got the cat or
I hope
not.
you get the cat.
Did I get the cat? I got the cat!
Okay, why don't you actually open the cat then? Can you just open the directions?
Yep. Here, could you build this, please?
Please.
Build
Oh,
that.
here, just put that there.
Here comes the kitty cat! It's a giraffe!
Oh, it's a little Siamese cat. Beautiful. Beautiful. I love it.
Right there. Look outside.
Wait, do you have the directions, sweetheart? So,
Yeah, they're right here.
you could probably figure it out, but it'd just be easier to see what it's supposed to look like.
What the heck?
Well, yeah,
Oh, this might be his collar and something.
Oh,
He's sad. He has a little collar. Look, she has a little collar.
oh, I love that.
I can get a bunny. So, a bunny. Oh my gosh. A bunny, a chick.
Yeah, you need to back up a little. It's focusing on.
Bunny, a chick, a puppy, a cat, which I just got, a tarantula, an axolotl, a hippo, a capybara, and a little mouse, and a hedgehog. So, those are the ones you can collect. So, I just got garbage, totally garbage. Let's hope I get the hippo or something. I hope I get the capybara because that's the cutest one. That's really cute. Here, look at the capybara. capybara. I really want that.
Oh, they're all cute.
Yeah, the capybara is like the cutest one on here. The hippo is cute. Look at the hippo and the chick. Yeah. But I do hope I get the hippo. Here's the instructions. I didn't look at them though.
Okay.
But I do really want the hippo. No, I meant, oh my gosh. I got the capybara.
How are you so lucky?
Well, the cat one I looked at.
Yeah, but you wanted the capybara and the cat.
Look, it's the cutest one. Wait, why is there a picture?
He comes with a picture of him in a bath, a ducky.
Wait, how does the
And a
picture
bar
dry?
of soap.
How does the picture dry? How does
Well, you
it
probably have to wet it.
wet it?
Here.
Okay.
Because we want to show. No?
Maybe it has to be in the air or something.
Where's the directions?
Where's there? Where did I just put them? Am I sitting on them? The heck? What the heck? I know I just put them somewhere. Oh, here. No.
Okay, there.
Sorry. I must have put that.
Oh. Okay, so you see?
I'm gonna put the capybaras together. Here's what. How long does it say? The little tub! That's so cute. Where's the duck? Is there a duck in here? No. No duck. This one.
Yeah, you want to set his stuff up over by the kitty cat. I know, it's because it's only heat sensitive. You have to, it's okay. Just set it all up. And
We'll do it right there. The ducky's in here. And there's capybara soap.
so cute.
There. Capybara soap.
Because they're dirty.
Ducky.
They like to take dirt baths.
Yes.
So cute.
Oh, it's a magnet.
No way.
Look.
That's adorable. I might be stealing that.
No. You can steal a kitty cat.
I want the capybara.
We can get more. We can get
You
more.
have to pick it because you've picked the lucky ones. I don't.
I will love you
All
forever.
right. We only got a few more minutes before we have to leave.
Okay. Aye, Captain.
Let's keep opening. Can I take some trash?
Yes, you may take this. It's the do not. It's the thing. These they can go in or something. Okay. Let's do the gummy bear.
Oh, we'll just save them for now. We'll have them in our
Let's
trash.
do the gummy bear and the gumdrop first.
Wait, you have to show. You have to show. You have to show.
I got the golden.
And we only got one of those.
I told you.
You told me what? You wanted to get more than one, but you picked the lucky one. Oh, why is it so sticky?
I got the gold.
Oh, I got the.
Good thing he's doing his wrapper.
I got them all dirty.
Oh my gosh.
It's okay. I'll clean them.
Okay, that's not helping. Here you go. Now the gumdrop. Hey, I've never had a gumdrop before.
Yes, show the camera. You're opening it to yourself, dude. I
What
want
the?
to see what you're getting.
Okay. I got purple. There was blue too. I should have got the blue one.
Is it slow rise?
Yes.
Oh, it's super slow rise. That's awesome.
Okay, what dumpling should I open first,
I'm
guys?
sorry I got your teddy bear, gross. I will wash them though.
It's okay. At least I got the cow.
Oh yeah. Supposed to be setting these up here. Do we only have dumplings left?
Yeah.
All right, it's time for the dumplings then.
And they're all RMS. All the squishies are RMS.
Maybe do this one first.
Okay.
Since you only have one of that,
Yeah.
and then you could do that.
They all have the wrapping on them, so. Oh.
This is the Starlight.
Yes. Starlight dumpling. The Starlight are like actually hard to find. They're not at the stand at the mall. I don't know. Yeah, they're not. We don't really have any dumplings at that stand.
No, this is the first time in a while we found the good ones.
And it's RMS. It literally says RMS on the bottom. Oh, I got yellow.
Well, that's one way to do it. Wait, what's inside? There's something inside there?
Gel.
Oh, it's your finger. I was like, what is that?
I was like, huh, huh, huh.
Ooh, but it's like a different yellow. It's transparent.
Is it dumpling
Cute.
place? I gotta show them. Oh, it doesn't. It's the one that's not sticky that doesn't collect stuff. The sticky ones collect stuff.
Okay.
Ow!
Well, don't do that, silly.
Okay, which one should I do next?
That one. I'm interested to see if it actually smells. I don't think we've had a sense of dumpling yet.
Ow. There you go. I need help. Excuse me. It has been 20 minutes and 20 seconds. Yay, the gummy bear. The gummy bear. Don't look, don't look.
No, look,
Oh, it's purple.
does it smell like purple?
Ew. Just happened. Does it smell like gummy bear? No.
No, it smells like paint.
Because it's made out of paint. It has paint on it.
I don't know how I feel about those ones. Alright, these ones have to be good. These are shark ones, right?
Oh, that was easy. Yes. Oh, I thought it was going to be. Hello, BJ.
You know, again?
Huh?
You know?
No, I got it.
Okay.
That one was different. It didn't have this. It was like all wrapped up. But on the bottom, it has this to do. Okay, no look-sies. It has sharks and it has glasses. Oh, it's yellow again. We're not lucky today. And it's the same texture, but different yellows. I have so many yellows. That's basically all I have. Ow, that hurt. Ooh. This is the other one. What is it? Pork. I did the pork. Yellow again! Heck,
Ugh.
that's all you get.
Maybe we shouldn't have listened to that lady.
Yes. I think it's the one that is different is the rare. Do you know what I mean? Because
Yeah.
last time I got the rare.
Mm-hmm.
She was totally lying. Yeah, we got that. Got it back soon. I hope I'm lucky because I hope I do good at the show.
You're gonna do great.
Don't
I'm
look!
looking at you.
It's orange.
Oh, well, at least it's not yellow.
Because we already had 3 yellows. Last but not least.
Not yellow. Just not yellow.
That's all we have had from you. Good luck, please. RMS ones are fake and they never give you the like good one like the
Mm. Another yellow. Dang. All right.
Let's show everyone what we got. Yeah. Wait. Let's go in the tub. Okay, he's in the tub. See you next time.